Hey guys, how you doing? Steph here. So somebody asked me about getting better at Python programming. What is one of the things you can do to get a deeper understanding of Python? This answer will probably surprise you. So long story short, by learning multiple programming languages, your understanding of Python will just get better. Well, learning multiple programming languages will deepen your understanding of programming in general. The reason being is because, for example, when you're with Python, you will be learning about methods, you'll be learning about different collection types, different array types, tuples, variables, and all kinds of other things. When you, for example, start with Python, and then you decide to hop over and learn a bit of JavaScript, you're going to see how JavaScript expresses the same concepts, but in the JavaScript way. So JavaScript has functions, and it has methods, and it has arrays, and so on and so forth, variables, of course. So when you see the way JavaScript does it, and you start comparing it to the way Python does it, interestingly enough, it's going to give you a deeper understanding of some of the nuances of Python that you may have not been aware of. It's kind of like when you drive different types of cars. If you drive a Porsche 911 and you understand how that car handles, then you jump over to some, I don't know, BMW M5 or something, or then a Ferrari, and then a Tesla. By driving the different cars, it's going to give you a deeper understanding and appreciation of each of those cars. And that's why we date as well. You date so you understand what type of person you want to date. Anyway, analogies aside, that's the whole point of it. So if you want to become a better Python developer, Python programmer, at some point, you should learn other programming languages so that you can get that comparison. You can start evaluating the contrast, the differences between the languages, which will give you an overall understanding. Like everything else I teach, it's based on personal experience. And the reason I bring it up, that's it happened to me. I remember when I learned my second language and my third language and my fourth programming language, I was just getting a deeper and deeper understanding. I said, now I understand why they did X, Y, and Z in language, in JavaScript when I jumped into Java. And then when I jumped into Python, I could see some interesting nuances about how they approached collections, as an example, versus what Java was doing. It was very illuminating. Let me just say that. It's very illuminating. So there you go. If you are in the Python camp and you want to deepen your ability as a coder, besides building real projects, which is the number one thing you got to do, build projects, build projects, build projects. As I tell people all the time, comprehension comes from application. Let me say that again. Comprehension, understanding things, comes through practical applications of those things. So to become a better Python programmer, write lots of Python code where you're building real things. Enough with the tutorials. Tutorials should be something you get through as quickly as possible so you start building real things. So anyway, there you go. So build real things and then learn other programming languages to give you a deeper understanding of Python. Or if you're a Java developer, if you want to get a deeper understanding of the nuances of Java, learn a little JavaScript, learn some C# maybe, or learn some Python.